Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm giving you all a new everyday makeup tutorial because I've done one in the past, but I've changed a few things. I changed a few things since then. I think I got a little better. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And more importantly, you guys, I'm finally at 1,000 followers. Thank you all so much, and it's all because of you all. It is all because of you all because I can't subscribe to myself. It's all because of you all. Thank you all so much. And if you aren't subscribed to me, make sure you subscribe. Oh, thank you. I just can't believe it, you guys. Like, thank you all so much. Like, seriously. It's crazy to me. But anyway, let's get into this video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and bye. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is add my primer. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. This is the best primer to me. It, like, makes your makeup go on so smooth. And it's only $6 at basically everywhere. So I'm going to first, my mirror is over here, so I'll be looking over here. Oh, my edges are out a little bit. But yeah, I'm going to put this. I'm just putting on the primer with my fingers all over my face. So today I'll be wearing the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappocino. So I usually mix this with the other NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mahogany because Cappocino is a little too dark for me and Mahogany is just so neutral. It looks almost a little ashy. In my opinion, that's just me, on me. So I take my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna apply this evenly around my whole face. My bad, you guys, I have to sneeze. Okay. But you don't drag, you just dab, 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 dab. Okay, and for highlighting under my eyes, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. So I don't know about you all, but I just love a full coverage everyday makeup look. I don't know, like, I just love full coverage. So I'm just gonna apply this to my chin, under my eyes, and on my forehead, and under my cheekbones. So the shape you make under your eyes should really be determined by the shape of your face. I really changed up the shape I do under my eyes recently. That's another thing I've changed since my last my everyday makeup tutorial. So I used to do a huge triangle to go all the way down there, but now I just kind of do more of a rounded half circle or half oval, you could say. And then my cheekbone is right here. I'm going to take a little bit right there. Right there. So I found out the secret to a perfectly blended face is just making sure your sponge is as wet as possible. So I'm going to spray it with the NYX setting spray, matte setting spray. I used to use Dewy. I think they work the same, honestly. I don't see a difference between the products at all, but that's me. And I'm just going to blend it out. So now I'm going to set my concealer. Ooh, this needs to be blended out a little more, just a little more. So now you can kind of see it coming together a little bit. But I'm going to set my concealer using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in the dark banana color. The Sacha Buttercup powder is the best to me. Like nothing can beat it. I've tried Fenty, I've tried Beauty Bakery, Makeup Revolution. I've tried a lot, but nothing... I don't know, nothing beats Sacha to me. I love the yellowness it adds. Like, these other, like, setting powders are faintly yellow. So I'm putting it in the, right there. But this stuff is yellow, like, I like that look. So with makeup, you need to do what you like, regardless of what beauty gurus tell you, what I tell you. If you like a yellow look, now flashback, no, we don't want flashback, but I like the yellowness this adds to my face too. So I'm going to leave this on and bake while I'm doing my eyes. So I'm applying this with a cosmetic sponge. You get this from the beauty supply or anywhere like that. Definitely the beauty supply. You can get a huge pack of them for like $2 maybe. You all have seen these before, but I think these work the best for applying your powder because it gets a lot of product and it's just cheap. Basically, that's why it's cheap and gets a lot of product. Okay, so while this is baking into my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes. So on the daily, I do not do a lot to my eyes at all. So all I'm going to do is line the top of my eyelids with this eyeliner from Wet n Wild. It's $2. I feel like you do not need to spend a lot on an eyeliner at all. It's just not necessary to me. Especially for me because usually I let my lashes do all of the work. I don't do too much to my eyes on a daily basis because my lashes are usually pretty dramatic. So, y'all, this looks so basic, but this is all I do to my eyes. I'm gonna put a little mascara on here. This is a Great Lash mascara. It's also $2 at Family Dollar, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, anywhere you go. But it's $2 there. So So now I'm going to put on my lashes. So I've worn these lashes before, so they're just stuck to my little mirror. But let me show you the lashes I'm wearing. Oh, I got this thing so messy now. But these lashes, I showed these lashes in my 40 pair lash haul. Make sure you all check it out. My 40 pair AliExpress lash haul. Let me put these on a little thing. These are from AliExpress, of course. And these are just the lashes. They're kind of tiny, in my opinion, so I doubled them up. I'm starting to really love shorter but super thick lashes, which is why one reason I doubled them up, and I just love it. Okay, so these are the lashes for you. I have them on now, and this is basically all I do to my eye. I do feel like it's a little bit too much of my brow missing, so I'm going to fill it in a little bit. Now I'm going to dust off the powder using this Refrain brush from my Refrain brush set I got on Amazon. It only cost $14 for like 14 of them, and I did a video on it, but I'm going to make sure to link these brushes in the description box. I think these brushes are excellent, you guys. Like, these feel like some, what I would believe are some expensive brushes. Like, okay. So now, this is another brush from that set. I love this brush. This brush is the brush I contour with. So let me show you all what I'm using to contour. Y'all, I use a lot of inexpensive products. I'm just saying, the most expensive thing I use so far is the Sacha Buttercup powder. But that's one thing I will never go cheap on. That I prefer Sacha over everything else. So this is the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance. This is in medium to dark. I use this color a lot, as you can see, but I'm just going to put it in right here and make backwards threes on both sides of my faces. So I don't use a concealer or anything to contour. I just prefer a powder. So yes, I do this before I go to school and what have you, but this is something I enjoy doing, so it's not like, I wouldn't do all that every day. I have fun doing this. It's relaxing. I usually have my music playing, so this is lit. It doesn't feel like, I have to do this. Like, I love doing it, you know? Okay, so next, using my same brush, I'm going to take this blush palette from BH Cosmetics. I actually found this at Burlington, which was pretty exciting for me. So, as you can see, it's been through a lot, you guys. So that's why I really didn't show you all too much. But I'm going to follow the same pattern I did with my contour. I don't know if most people do this, but I like doing this. So now I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. This is the fun part where it seems like everything comes together. This is the Milani Sunglow highlighter. I think I used this in my last video. I don't remember. And I do just use my finger. Put a little dot there, put a little dot Here, I know people talk about, that little dot is played out, but I love it. Like I said, makeup is all about what you like to do. So now I'm going to take my Great Lash Mascara. Ooh, my Great Lash Mascara once again, and I'm going to put it on my bottom lashes now. Okay, I'm going to take this brown pencil. This is also the pencil I use for my eyebrows. This is from Wet n Wild, another $2 pencil. It's the same one as the black one. It just comes in dark brown. So I'm just going to line my lips. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little chapstick. I'm using the Baby Lips, and just put this to get the lip liner, eyeliner, whatever it is, moving a little bit more. And rub my lips together. Then I remove the middle a little bit because it's just too dark for me. This is a little more like it. And now for the finishing touch. It is lip gloss. This is that dollar lip gloss you see at the register at all beauty supplies or what have you. It's the Broadway lip gloss. Good. And I just put the lip gloss on my bottom lip, you guys. This is the e.l.f. illuminating spray. I use a lot of e.l.f., you guys. But this is the illuminating spray. I'm going to just put a little bit on my face. There's setting spray. And that is it, you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the final look. Oh, I got it a little dark right now. Hold on. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Like, it means everything to me. Everything to me. But anyway, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all later. Bye, guys.